Dzień dobry, good afternoon. So today I start my day with a Polish traditional food. As most of you have been asking, can you show me, what is the Polish traditional food? So today I'll show you. I am in a Pira bar. I think by the Google review, this place has lots of good reviews. So yeah, I'll show you what is the traditional food in Poznan, Poland. Right, so I'm in a Pira bar and this is the menu actually. So here the menu, you can see there is a Polish version and English version. So today I choose pierogi, which is potatoes, cottage cheese, red onion, chives and butter. So yeah, and I also choose the very traditional drink, which is kompot. Where is it, the kompot? I'm still looking at where is the kompot. Right, kompot is actually a traditional Polish drink, which is a famous fruits juice. The color just like this. Let me try. After walking so long and under the heat, just obviously there's beautiful sun today, and this drink kompot is called kompot. Is very refreshing. So here is my food. Is actually this one, pierogi. Let's see. One thing about the portion is always huge. So I will record myself how I eat this one. This one is basically the cheese like this, right? And then very nice, sour, but the cheesy very melted in the mouth, so nice. If you are potato lover, right, if you don't eat rice, and this is very recommended for you. Look at this. Oh, still hot. So good. And if you are vegan, you don't eat meat at all, so this is also best for you. I cannot stop myself eating this one. So good. And the kompot. So refreshing. Right, so basically this one is the pierogi, bardzo dobrze polecam. And actually kompot here, if you see the menu, this is called Granny's fruit beverage. So total cost that I paid today is 27 zloty, plus 7 zloty is around 34 zloty. Bardzo polecam. And look at the restaurants around. Very nice, cozy and green, and also if hot outside they have an aircon. So nice. Right, so basically this is the Pira bar. Highly recommended. Bardzo polecam. Right, so I just had my lunch, and as usual, only 5-minute walks from the place where I had lunch, it's already the park. So yeah, I'll show you around, and then I will answer I've got so many questions regarding to my trip before to Germany, and I also want to share to you about what is actually the life updates so far in Poland. And yeah, I'm really happy to be here in Europe, and so glad. And look at this weather, look at the sunshine, look at the green things around me. Like you see, whenever you walk, it's just like few meters is already park, just like this. Can you hear the sound of nature? and this is how the sunshine and surround me. Wow, look at the tulip flowers blooming so beautifully, and look at the building behind. It's very European vibe. It's amazing. So that's also the beautiful pink building behind, and I think that's those two is a church, and surround me is beautiful green garden. Many people are enjoying the time here, you know, sitting on the grass, listening to bird sound, you know, it's very amazing. I've got a question one in Instagram from someone. His name, I think your name is Ferry, right? Okay, so he is asking about how to move to Europe and what visa do I use basically. Well, basically the visa that I use is a visa national type D, and it's valid for 1 year and multiple entry visa because I'm married with Polish, so I'm eligible with that visa. And then last time that I went to the Polish embassy in Jakarta and applied for that, and I know that there are so many paperwork that I need to prepare for my visa. And how much it costs? It costs zero. So I didn't pay anything for the visa because obviously I'm married with a Polish citizen. And then your question that you want to move to Germany at the end of the year. I think that generally if you want to move to Europe you want to move to the Schengen countries in Europe, I think that generally that we have the same type of visa. Like two of my friends who are living in Germany, last time that I asked them what visa that they use. So one of them used to have a student visa when she moved to Germany, and another one is Jody, if I'm not mistaken. He used a type D national visa because he was hired by the German company. So I think my friend also Ayu also got a student visa, which is the same national visa type D. So as soon as you arrive in the Schengen country, you can convert your visa into the temporary residence permit, something like that. So how is the life update so far? Just like what I have been planning and what I have been sharing to you. As soon as after visiting Germany, I will apply my temporary residence card, which is TRC. Like this morning, I and Damian went to the Urzon Wikopolski, something like Department of the Foreigners in Poland. And yeah, there are many paperwork that I have to prepare. So now I am in the stage of processing converting my type national D visa into the temporary resident. Like here it's called here is called Karta Pobietu. So I'm applying my temporary resident card. As what I've explained before, I'm planning to living here for good and also opening my Bali business in Poland. So yeah, so that's the life update so far. Look at this beautiful bird. That's amazing. So many birds around here, and simply people enjoying the time with the family as well. Like I told you, Polish people are very family oriented, and this place is very good for raising a child and family, right? Wow, what a beautiful building behind me, right? So the next update is about starting from next week. My class is started again. My Polish class is started again. So everything is happening. I'm super happy with that. And yeah, I will be super busy basically. And yeah, I will try my best also to make my daily vlog from Poland. I know maybe some of you who's not interested in Poland, it's okay. I know that maybe some of you follow us just because of the love of Bali, but remember, some of you also have a dream of living in Europe. So I make it for you so you can have an imagination about how it is like living in Europe. Amazing, right? And look at the people behind me. And look at the flower. Oh my God, spring is so beautiful. Look at the beautiful sky today. Very blue, nice, and a warm weather. And behind me, beautiful pink building. And this is actually also the beautiful park. Amazing. Right, so this is actually the explanation of the building. Just like I told you, everything is written in Polish. But look at this one, the year and how it is. And ooh, look at this. So this is a piece of history. Look, this one is 1946. It's just like this, but now it looks different. I was not born yet in 1946. Right, so I was walking from that one, and look at this. Look at this beautiful pink building. Wow, amazing. Look at the flower, the spring blossom. It's beautiful. I don't know what is it like, but I check in Google. It's called Urzon Stare Miasto. So it's just like the offices of old Poznan city. And I think that this one in the middle is the kind of exhibition or something like that. So yeah, it's very nice. Wow. And the blue sky. Amazing. So one thing about this city is that there is Wi-Fi everywhere. So if you run out of quota, you can use it. I'll show you again 360 degree. The building. It's cool. Very nice. And let's go there. So more and more restaurant actually opening right now, and this is how it looks, and that's behind over there is the Stary Rynek. Right, so I think that's all of my video today from Poznan, Poland, and how is the life update so far. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.